Test and measurement is a process of quantifying everything in the world. Testers use zero tolerance to measure product quality and corporate reputation. Noyafa, established in Shenzhen in 2006, is a technology enterprise integrating design, R&D, production, and sales, focusing on handheld instruments. Our company owns the Smart Mouse and Noyafa independent brands, and our products include cable tester, cable finder, optical fiber tester, CCTV monitor tester, thermal imager, laser distance meter, and integrated wiring toolkit. After years of development, we have built a professional R&D team covering industrial design, structure, circuit board, mold, software, and hardware development. We also have teams responsible for invention, utility, appearance, etc. We provide customers with professional solutions such as OEM, ODM, and product customization for special needs. Our company has more than 100 successful cases. Noyafa has established a large-scale industrial park of 20,000 square meters in Yongzhou, Hunan, to empower production. With professional production equipment, it can conduct manufacturing processes from mold processing, injection molding, SMT patch, wave soldering, to assembling, testing, packaging and shipping. Noyafa has complete production line with an annual output of 3 million units. In order to ensure quality, Noyafa has established a professional and independent quality control department. Based on the ISO 9001 quality system, we check every process from product design verification, supplier management, material inspection, manufacturing process inspection, to delivery quality assurance. At the same time, each product undergoes a series of reliability tests and verification from design to shipment, such as optical power test, range test, leakage test, life test, environmental reliability test, safety test, charging test, vibration test, etc. to ensure that each product is presented in the best posture for users. Our production and quality management strictly comply with the requirements of the ISO 9001 system. And our products have passed certifications such as FCC, CE, PSE, and Roche.
客户的需求就是我们不断前行的动力。目前，我们的产品正出口到世界各地。诺亚发始终坚持不懈的研发，一丝不苟的管理，这是对每位使用者的承诺。无论何时何地，客户的满意就是我们的追求和目标。